Brain drain is a cause of concern because it robs the country brightest people. It impact therefore the generally seen as a negative, though the positive side as well. Some of the negative and positive brain drain are as follows. First is the negatives. The country loses skilled labor slowly. The country loses the service scientists, doctor, teachers, quality of medical and educational facilities. Country loses the businessman and its economy suffers. Then resources that the country spend on educating and immigrating are wasted. The country loses the taxes that immigrant should pay. The immigration of some of those success abroad encourage others to follow. Then what are the positive? Those who migrate sharpen their skill and increase their knowledge abroad. The country benefit from this if some of them return after some year. This is the positive. Second, those who immigrate often send back a large part of income to their country. Third, to prosper, the immigrating encourage people to get education and develop skill. Since all don't succeed in immigrating, but some are left to serve their country. So thank you. Today we have learned about the migration. Now come to the filling the blanks. The seasonal movement of a pastoral people with their animal is called transhumance. Write down spelling TRANSHUMANCE. Transhumance. Then people who leave their own country to settle on the other country is called immigration. Write the spelling immigration EMIGRATION. Third, migration from a village 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 to a city is an example of rural and the urban migration. A gold rushes is a rapid migration of miner to site where the gold deposit have been discovered. Dash is another name of human flight. Write down brain drain, BRAIN brain, DRAIN drain. Come to the choose the correct answer. Immigrant are the people who migrate into a country. Tick into a country. A software professional takes up a job and migrate from India to USA is an example of intercontinental migration. Tick the intercontinental. Which of the following is not an example of internal migration? Tick the D. Tick the C. The people migrating from Kerala to Dubai. Between 18 to 60,000 years ago, huge people of the modern human moved out of Africa. Tick the Africa. Next. Among the following continent, the last to be populated by humans were probably Australian. Take the Australian. Which of the following statement is not correct? Immigration increases the pressure of a local sources. Immigration for work increase relative number of dependent. So immigration often lower the relative number of dependent in advanced countries. Put it C. T that C. Students, write the exercise in your copy and learn. Thank you.